Collections are just a way to group your products together. So if you're selling a bunch of different things like t-shirts, hoodies, and pants, you can keep each type in its own group. It makes your store a lot easier to organize down the road. So over here on the right-hand side, let's find collections. Click on Add Collections. Click Add New Collection. And for the title, I'll name this T-shirts. For the collection type, I'll set this to manual. And right here, you can also upload a collection image. In my case, I'll click on Add Image. And I'll just use the image of the t-shirt we just uploaded. Click on Done. And click Save. And as you can see right here, the product is now in the t-shirts collection. And then as you add in your other products, you can do this for each one and create its own collection the exact same way. Now let's scroll up to the top and click Save. And now we have successfully created our first product and collection. And if you haven't started setting up your store just yet, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link in the video description.